Well, hey guys, this is Don again. We still have Tropical Storm Nicole. Well, the eye is more west of us now, getting out into the Gulf or closer to the Gulf. To be honest with you, I think we're having stronger gusts now than we even did earlier. I swear, just a few minutes ago, we had a little spin up of a tornado. If it wasn't, it seemed like it. Yeah, we're getting stronger gusts now for sure. I hope the plants are getting good and watered. More limbs are falling too. I hear more things hitting the roof. There's a big gust. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by again. I think by later this afternoon we should be calming down. See you next time.